Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. You guys can probably see it on the title already, but I just wanted to ask you if you can see a difference on in my face, with my makeup. I'll give you a second. Can you see it? It looks like I got a brow lamination, what was it called? Do I pronounce that correctly? Lamination? I don't know. And I feel like I found a life-changing product. Actually, it was not me who found it, but my sis, but I will explain it later on. Anyways, if you guys want to know the secret to this brow, it's only one product. It's very affordable and you get a lot. And it's not a makeup product or whatever. So you better keep on watching. So here's the thing. My younger sister came to visit me and obviously we kept our distance, but I thought her brows looked so good. And I thought she had like brow lamination, but I was confused at the same time because, we were at home. So, and then she was like, no, I just use this gel that I got from a store in Holland, which is kind of like Boots or Ulta, and way smaller, way more, simple and humble. And then she said, like, there's this brand and it's called U2B, and it's like a tube and it's kind of like a gel for your brows. So I assumed that it was a makeup product. And then she sent me a picture and it was actually a hair product. And I thought this girl is a genius. Genius. As you can see, I already did my makeup and I feel so incomplete without doing my brows. I look really strange. And I think I'm the perfect example for someone who doesn't have a lot of brow hair. I was blessed with a lot of brow hair and then I screwed up in my teenage years, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I've already kind of like removed the product because I want to do it from the start, and I think you can still see that I've tried it on this brow instead of this brow. The product that I'm talking about is something that you probably are familiar with, and it is this product. This is the Got to Be Glued Waterproof Styling Gel for Screaming Hold Spike Cement Ultimate Holds, which is what you want to have if you want to keep everything up. I am a fan of the bushy brow, but the thing is I don't have bushy brows and it's really hard for me to create bushy brows if you don't have a lot of hairs going on. It's waterproof as well. This comes in another tube, which is, I will pop it right here. And it's the, I think, Ultra Got to Be Glued. And that one is not waterproof and this one has a stronger hold. Did a little bit of research on that. And this is also meant for like taming your baby hairs, gluing your wig onto your head, other things that really need a strong hold. So I'm not sure if she came up with it or she maybe saw it somewhere else, but she didn't give that person credit. So what I did was I used a little bit on the back of my hand. I tried it for the first time today with no makeup on, so bear with me if I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay, so I'm just going to take this spoolie. This is from Urban Decay, but you can use any spoolie that you want. This is more to apply the product, and you have to work pretty fast because it dries up pretty fast as well. And then this is what I do, so I don't apply too much product. So just right there, and then get it like that. Then I need my mirror. I'm just going to apply this on my brows. And the fact that it's waterproof is just like so good, because if you are like wearing this product in, like during summertime when it's really hot outside, or you want to swim, I don't know, then, your brows still look good. Look at that. And I didn't even apply that much. So just brushing it upwards. Because it's a very strong hair product, it is going to, you can see those dirty glue kind of things that you really don't want to see on your brows. So I'm going to take this side from Urban Decay as well. And then I'm just going to comb my brows and it's going to get rid of all the glue parts that you have on your brow. I actually think to keep your brows clean, it works better if you wet your spoolie just a tiny bit, like 1 drop of water, like that. Now I'm taking my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in number 4. And I'm going to define my brow a little bit, especially on the ends. So whatever was left on my spoolie, like the tiniest bit of glue. I combed it like one more time and I think this effect looks really, really nice. So actually my favorite brow gel, like real makeup brow gel, is the Benefit one and then the Gimme Brow. But even that one can't keep up the hairs like this. I feel like you need like another product which is maybe not makeup. I know you can also use like the clear glue stick, you know, the transparent one, but I do feel like using a hair product makes more sense also because I feel like, I don't know, like a little bit more safe using it. Even though this one is basically almost like glue. The only thing I'm wondering is when the sun hits my face, like, are you able to see the white little things? Because I don't like to have this dirty brow look. Like, hey, I tried bushy brows a little too hard, but when I look in the mirror, I don't see it. So far, so freaking good. If you guys have more tips or tricks how to like even take this step to the next level, please let me know. Also, like, have you tried this before? Am I late to the game? Did I find something life-changing? Actually, my sis, but you know, I don't know, I just was so enthusiastic and I thought this idea was genius. So I really wanted to share that ASAP. I just got it today. So, you know, this is like semi-live and this is how enthusiastic I am. I love it. I love it. It's not tacky. I feel like it's going nowhere. And it's also not too hard. I thought it was going to be like hairspray, like really, really hard brows. And they're not even like that hard. You know what I'm saying? I cannot wait to hear your opinion, and if you're going to try this, please tag me in your pictures or photos or whatever. I want to see it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the comment section below. Bye!